I know that there is one thing in this world that you guys want more of. What's that? That's money. So, what am I going to be talking about today? I'm going to be talking about ways that you can save some of that cash. All right, you guys. So I'm here today to talk to you about ways to save money while eating healthy. I know that everyone talks about how expensive it is to eat healthy because food is just generally expensive. So today I'm going to be talking about some ways to save you guys some money. Okay. So the first tip is to shop sales. I know that sounds like, duh. But I am an avid sale shopper. I do not buy food unless it's on sale, unless it's specifically something for my husband, because he's somewhat sort of a picky eater, or sometimes he just wants what he wants, and that's just the way he is. So I'm like, okay, cool, whatever. But shop sales. You guys should be shopping those sales. So the way that the sales cycles run are they run weekly, okay? So with your grocery stores, so any kind of grocery store that specifically caters to groceries, and like for instance, your Drew Osco, your Mariano's, your Kroger, your Brookshires, your Tom Thumb, your Wedgmans, your Vons, those are grocery stores. So they start their new sales on Wednesday and they run for a week all the way until Tuesday. And then a new sale cycle starts. So pay attention to those sale cycles, you guys. Also, the drugstores, those type of stores, their sales cycles start on Sunday. And these can be stores like CVS, Walgreens, those type of stores, okay? So shop sales. Look in that sales insert, that sales flyer. It doesn't necessarily have to be the newspaper or the paper that you'll get out of the store, but they are online now. You can go on your computer, go to whatever website that you need to go to, and you can see their circulars and you will see what's on sale. And let me tell you, this will be life-changing for some people, because I see people and they just put stuff in the cart and they just buy it. Like, I'm so like, you're breaking my heart, boo. That's on sale at such and such store. So shop those sales, you guys. Shop those sales. Okay. So my next tip to save you some money is to figure out what's in season. So if you're shopping their fruits and vegetables and things like that, fresh fruit, figure out what's in season. I will never forget when I first moved to Chicago, it was December of 2018. I was in the grocery store just picking up a couple of things, and I was going through the fruits and vegetable section. And there was a pack of strawberries that were almost $8, like a normal, like small pack of strawberries that's normally like on sale for like $2. They were like $8. You guys, it was not strawberry season. I still haven't figured out what's in season, only because I only shop sales. So it doesn't help me any, because I'm going to look at the paper and I'm going to see the blueberries are 99 cents, or I'm going to see the watermelon is 99 cents or $1.99 or whatever, and I'm going to pick it up, okay? That's the way that I roll, but you might roll a little different. So figure out what's in season. The third tip is use frozen fruits or vegetables. This will save you guys a lot of money, okay? So I don't necessarily use too many frozen fruits or vegetables, but sometimes I do, depending on kind of like what dish that I'm cooking. I do like the Green Giant. They're like usually on sale for like $1. I love the rice, cauliflower, and broccoli. I just love it. Put it in the microwave for like 6 minutes and there you have a side dish. And I don't really use frozen fruit because I mainly eat apples, and you don't see frozen apples. Yeah. And my son, he loves bananas, so yeah, I don't get that. But frozen fruits and vegetables can save you guys a lot of money. Oh, this is a big one, y'all. It is okay not to buy organic, farm-raised, cage-free, or whatever buzzword is going on. I know that you guys have heard that there are so many pesticides in our food. There are so many dangerous chemicals. Please don't let people guilt you into buying that stuff, okay? If you don't have the money, then you do not have the money. And it's okay if you can't buy $8 eggs. Yeah, they're like $8 now. I just actually left the grocery store and a regular normal 12 count of just store brand eggs was $3.49. And I was like, are you serious right now? Yeah. Those prices are getting ridiculous. So this video is right on time for you guys. So, I mean, there have been studies done on organic vegetables and things like that. And my takeaway from what I've heard, and of course you can correct me if I'm wrong, you can link stuff down in the comment section if you want to correct me, or links to whatever that you want to send me to educate me, because I'm not the smartest person in the world. So educate me when it comes to this stuff. But the things that I've heard and the things that I've saw is that there's really no real difference, just because there is no standard of what an organic is. So I don't buy organics. I don't buy farm raised. I don't buy cage free. I just don't. To me, an egg is an egg. To me, an apple is an apple. I wash it off. I pray that it's not infected with something that's going to kill me, and I keep it moving. The only thing that I am very particular about is my meat. And so everyone kind of has what they're particular about as far as when they go grocery shopping, and mine is meat. I only eat halal meat and usually go to like a local store, and they have actually a butcher that's close by in the area where they source their meat from. Sometimes I do buy meat from the grocery store, like the regional chain here, and they do have some halal meat, which is fine. And it's not cheap. It's not cheap at all. It rarely goes on sale, and yeah, so that's pretty much kills my budget. Yeah, so the next tip that I want to give you guys is to shop at discount stores. So there's no shame in going to Aldi. And let me tell you, Aldi has some great finds. They have wonderful finds. I got like some light raspberry vinaigrette salad dressing, and it is so good. Like, I was just so excited about that salad dressing, y'all. Like, it tastes good. And I want to say for 2 tablespoons, which is a serving, it's only like 30 calories or something like that. So I'm very excited about that find. So shop at Aldi or shop at other discount stores. For the most part, they will not have name brands, but most of their brands are very, very similar to name brands. I mean, even like the packaging looks like the name brand packaging. Besides the salad dressing that I found, I've also found good deals on like nuts. Yeah, because nuts are very expensive. I found good deals on some produce and fruit. I found good deals on cheese because I'm a cheese person and I like really fancy, like gourmet cheese. I mean, they have this Havarti deal that is just mwah, chef's kiss. And their frozen section usually has some very good kind of like meatless options or vegan options. They have some really good things going on in the frozen section. And I've been told about their wine. I have not tried that. I'm not drinking wine. So Aldi has some great finds. So shop at Aldi and other discount stores. And my next tip, you guys, is to shop the clearance racks. So find out if your store does clearance, okay? So the local stores that are near me are Jewel Osco and Mariano's, which is a Kroger affiliate. And I believe Jewel Osco is like an Albertsons affiliate or something like that. So both of these stores, they do clearance sections. Actually, yeah, and it depends on which store. I know that there are dedicated sections in Mariano's, and then they also around the store have things that are marked down. I often get marked down salad greens, like the bag of greens. I get those. I get marked down fresh produce. So especially with bananas, my son, he would probably eat bananas all day if I let him eat bananas all day. Banana. So we go through bananas like this. And I mean, those ripe bananas, they're gonna be gone in like a day anyway. So I just pick some of those up. I also get from Mariano's, I get fresh baked goods because My son and my husband, they love muffins. Also, they clearance out everything. They clearance it out. And it's usually stuff that is about to expire or go bad or whatever. So expiration dates to me, they're false. I believe there's a certain window of time that you have to consume an expired food. I don't know what that date is. To me, it's just a suggestion. So things like yogurt, I've saw, cheese, I've saw, even when we're talking about just anything, they usually have those yellow tags on them. And then at Jewel Osco, they also have clearance out merchandise, and they'll usually have a red tag up in their store to denote something is marked down on clearance. So you guys also find out like when they're marking the stuff down. Because in the very, very beginning, when Mariano's opens, I believe they open up at like 6 o'clock in the morning. They will not have fresh produce marked down at that time. I believe they wait a couple of hours until they're fully up and operating, and they should have that fresh produce marked down about 9 o'clock. Also, meat. Meat gets marked down too. I don't buy it, but I see it. So you want to check with your meat department. You want to check with your produce department. You want to check with your bakery department and find out when they mark that stuff down. Do they do it at the end of the day and they put it out in the morning? Or do they mark it down at the beginning of the morning and then they put it out midday? So find out what their schedule is and get their marked down food. If you're going to eat something within a day or two anyways, it won't even matter, because once it hits your stomach, that's pretty much it for that food. Okay, so you want to try out those clearance items. And then my last tip, which is probably the most kind of controversial tip, is to use coupons and grocery apps. Okay, I'm so excited about this. You see how my face is like beaming right now? Like, y'all, I am the coupon queen. Like, I've been couponing since before couponing was a thing. I've been couponing since like before they made all these rules and regulations behind coupons. Like, I've been couponing for a very long time, since before 2012, probably back in maybe 2010, 2011. Like, I'm a couponing OG. I've earned my stripes in this game. So if you have any questions about couponing, please leave them in the comments. This is my forte, y'all. Like, people like send me messages like, hey, does this sound like a good deal? Yeah, that's how cold I am with couponing. So there are so many like dedicated YouTube channels to this. There are people with Instagram that are dedicated to this. Even if you don't want to get deep in the couponing game, if you don't want to purchase paper coupons out of a newspaper, I get it. Totally understand you. Usually every single store that you walk into, they will have their own app for their store. And within that app, they have coupons that are digital. You can just click them and download them. You'll either scan your card at checkout or enter your telephone number at checkout. And a lot of those sale items that they have in the newspapers, you can't even get them until you click a coupon and download it. So that is definitely a great way to save money. Like, for instance, Dollar General does a $5 off 25 coupon every single Saturday. And so does Family Dollar. They're in total competition with each other. So that means if you buy $25 worth of merchandise, you can get automatically $5 off your purchase. And then in addition to that, they have other coupons on their website as well. So in conjunction, you could be saving so much money. Like, yeah. So if everything that you bought in your cart had a coupon, I mean, I've been to Dollar General and I've got my total down under $10 for like detergent and just anything like toothpaste, toothbrush, feminine hygiene items, like less than $10, y'all, for a cart full of stuff. But I'm not gonna make this video about couponing. That is just a tip to give you guys to save you some money in the grocery store, okay? So I think I've pretty much wrapped that topic up. What am I gonna get to next? I'm gonna get to my weight loss progress. So, as I have to refer to my notes because, yeah, I always have to refer to notes. So, last time I was 229.2 pounds, and I am now down to 227.2 pounds. Oh my God. That is for a total weight loss of 2 pounds. So I am so grateful. I am so thankful for the ability that I have to eat healthy on a budget, to exercise, to work out, to do all those things. And it feels so good that I'm going inching right along towards my goals. Like, this makes me so happy. Like, my heart beams with excitement. You can see it on my face, y'all. All right. So now that we've talked about our money saving tips, we've talked about my weight loss progress, we are now going to end my video like I end all my videos with my positive word, y'all. So this positive word comes from Ray Bradbury. The blizzard doesn't last forever. It just seems so. And this is, oh my gosh, so relatable, right? When you're in the thick of it and you're going through those tough times, you feel like that they are going to last forever. And this sure is the way that a weight loss journey feels. Like, every single day, you are like a machine. You eat your healthy breakfast, you pack your healthy snacks, you have your great lunch, you make sure you're drinking water throughout the day. You get your daily walk in, you do your exercises, you're doing all this stuff. And man, it seems like it's going to last forever. And it's going to take all of your energy every single day. Some weeks are good weeks, some weeks are bad weeks. But you know what? It's not going to last forever. One day, you're going to hit your goal weight. One day, you're going to look at the mirror and you're going to be like, dang, I really have lost a lot of weight. Like, it may seem like this journey is gonna last forever, but it's not. So I encourage you to not give up on the goals that you set for yourself and to keep striving to accomplish them. All right. So if you love that positive word, you loved our discussion today about eating healthy on a budget and all that good stuff, go ahead and like this video. And also, if you want to continue seeing videos from me, seeing my positive words and messages, or you just enjoy looking at my face, you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And also comment down below if you have any questions about couponing, if you have any questions about, what are you talking about? What do you mean by sales? And oh, my bad, this is US centric. I don't know how they do it in other countries. So if you're from another country, why don't you comment below and tell us how you save money at the grocery store? All right, you guys. So that is it for today. I will see you next time. And as always, thank you so much.